Amalungu eANC aweneme ngokuthi ANC ayikawasusa amakhansela asohlwini engazange aqoke umphakathi ngaphambi kokhetho lohulumeni bezindawo lwango-2021. Afake isicelo esiphuthumayo enkantolo ezama ukuphoqa iANC ukuba ibheke lolu daba ngokushesha ngaphambi kokuba kubanjwe ingqungquthela yesifundazwe ekupheleni kwalenyanga. Abafake isicelo abeneme ngesinqumo sejaji elithe lolu daba aliphuthumi.
They must never forget that the other elections are coming around 2024 and that will haunt the ANC ever.
Kusenjalo umxhumanisi wekomiti lesifundazwe lesikhashana ucelela amalungu angeneme ukuba avumele iANC yenze uphenyo ngalolu daba bangaluyisi ezinkantolo.
It's a fact, that one we know. We even know those individuals, right? And the call that we are making was into those individuals, rather than spending this money, which you are going to lose when you come to court, use that money, pay for someone's bursary, help some go-go that doesn't want to have food in the house, buy him food at least, rather than come here and fight an internal ANC process at court.
Umhlaziwe wezombusazwe eNyuvesi yase-Northwest uthi ezombusazwe kulesifundazwe azizinzile futhi lokhu kuzoshaya kakhulu izakhamuzi.
The ANC need to clean up their house. They need to take strong decisions. They must discipline their members. They cannot continue that way. And what is important, this is not only limited to the Northwest province. The same type of patterns you are seeing in other provinces.
Kusenjalo owayilungu lekomiti uJomboweni ukhulumele nababhikishi ngaphandle kwenkantolo wacela ukuba behlise umoya.